Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by initiating Instagram's recovery flow. This is the legitimate path to regain access. Tap Forgot Password and enter the username, email, or phone number linked to the account so Instagram can verify you. Choose the email or SMS option to receive a reset link. Make sure you control that inbox or number. Once done, follow the secure reset link to set a new password, because proper verification prevents unauthorized access and keeps your account protected. If the basic reset doesn't work, try trusted options. Log in via a linked Facebook account or check a device where you're still signed in, because session-based access often bypasses a fresh password prompt. If you've stored backup codes or have an authentication app, use those next. They are intended for two-factor recovery. Make sure to act from a familiar device and network so Instagram recognizes you, which speeds verification and reduces the chance of additional security. When standard routes fail, use the Need More Help link to submit a support request. You'll be guided to provide proof of ownership such as photos, original account email, or ID. Explain the issue clearly and include specific account details. This helps reviewers validate you faster. Make sure to monitor the recovery email and check spam folders. If things go wrong, retry from a different verified device and preserve all communication. Support responses often require prompt follow-up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.